This is how to install Ray4Laz into Lazarus. And I'm going to show you the hard way and the medium way and the easy way, if I can. The hard way is actually really easy. In the Ray4Laz GitHub, you grab this or the zip and you open it up and you'll end up with this folder structure. And then you go into Lazarus and open package file. And then you navigate to it. Ray4Laz, and you go to package. And first you open Ray4Laz.lpk and you compile. And then you go open the other one called designtime.lpk. Compile. And you let it do its thing. It's just a minute. Okay. And then install. Automatically installed packages. It will automatically install this other one that you compiled. Yes. And then rebuild Lazarus. Yes. And now this step I had problems with the first few times that I tried to install Lazarus, but when I did it via FPCUpDeluxe, then I don't have a problem anymore. So yes, and it doesn't take too long. Is it done? Nope. Still going. This is a 2020 Mac M1. 4 years now, old now. Still fine, fast enough for me, of course, but you might have a faster one. Now, you might have seen what looked like an error, and that might have been, but that should work. And now you will find that although I already had it, the Raylib simple project is there. And I know what the problem was. I picked the wrong thing from here. This is usually what you would do, is go to a release. But because I'm on Mac M1 and I've been working with this excellent developer, Code, he's made changes in the last few days. So I need the latest stuff right here. That's not been, since January 16 released. It's just edited yesterday, And if I do all that same stuff with this one, it will install the same way, but it will work. So I'm going to go do exactly what I showed you before, but with this other archive. And we're back, and it worked. Congrats, you created your first window. So that's the hardest way to install it, and it's not that hard. I made it overly complicated by picking the wrong archive. And if you did this and you didn't have a Mac M1, this one would work just fine. In fact, I want to emphasize that almost all of the quirks and errors that I'm finding, that I'm showing you in these videos, are Mac M1 specific. And if you have a different computer or architecture, you probably won't run into any of these errors. Okay, next I'll show you the medium easy way to do it. It's through FPCUpDeluxe. Back here in the basic tab, this isn't what we'll be messing with. We'll be messing with the modules. Actually, Raylib, Ray4Laz is in here, and a list of modules you can download. So you would just click install module, and I believe then it would install it and possibly reload your it would possibly rebuild your Lazarus and your FPC, your free Pascal compiler. And that's the medium easy way to do it. And the easiest way, I'm not sure I'm going to be able to show you, but we'll try it. There should be in Lazarus an online there should be in Lazarus an online package manager in here, but I don't have it installed for some reason. And when I try to install it via FPCUpDeluxe, it doesn't install properly. So I don't know what's going on with that, but it should be, for most people, as simple as going to the online package manager, and it should look sort of like this, and find Ray4Laz and like click a checkbox or install, click an install button or something like that, and it will install it and possibly rebuild your Lazarus, and then you should be able to go to new Raylib simple project and run it, and it should work. And if you're on a Mac M1 and it doesn't work, that's because you've got an old version of the archive, in which case you should install it the first hardest way that I showed you, which wasn't really that hard.